Welcome to the SNGREP Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we will be examining the most common types of SIP methods we will encounter in SNGREP. Please note that this video is not meant to be a comprehensive guide to SIP methods. It is instead meant to help you become familiar with common SIP conversations taking place in SNGREP. Let's open SNGREP and let it capture a few minutes of SIP traffic. As you can see, there's quite a bit of communication going on between your PBX and your SIP devices. We'll start off by examining the simplest of the methods called options. By definition, the method options allows a SIP device to query another SIP device or a PBX server about its capabilities. This allows a client to discover information about the supported methods, content types, extensions, and codecs. Though options was used to initially allow devices to communicate their capabilities, these days the options method is used more as a keep alive packet. Basically, options is now used to communicate whether a SIP device is still online. The next method we will cover is the subscribe method. Subscribe is used to create a subscription between a SIP device that desires a specific piece of information and a server that can provide that information. A voicemail notification is the most common use of subscribe. Your SIP phone will send a subscribe request to the PBX server so that it can be notified of new voicemail. Let's say the PBX server has a new voicemail and wants to inform all the subscribers. The PBX server would use the notify message. As you can see in this notify message, there is one new voicemail. The next method we will cover is the register method. The register method associates a SIP device's identification with its location. In most cases, the register method is used to associate the extension to an IP address. This method is also used to ensure that your SIP trunk provider knows where to send your incoming phone calls. We will cover the register method in depth in upcoming videos. Finally, the last method we will cover is the invite method. The invite method is used to initiate a phone call. If you see the invite method, it means that someone is attempting to make a call. We will cover the invite method in greater detail in upcoming videos. In this video, we gave a brief overview of the most common SIP methods you will see in SNGREP. In upcoming videos, we will examine these methods in depth. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.